Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set simple backgrounds on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. You can find different buttons. Go to the upper bar and go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. In the left side of the screen, go to the second button, the game, and in the graphics settings section you can find the second button, the simple backgrounds. Improves performance but reduce visual quality. And if you want to use that, just click to the square icon of the off button, and if you want to use the simple background option, you just restart the app. If you want to restart, click to the yes button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.